If you're doing any work on your Discovery handbrake, you'll probably find that you need to disable the system so that it doesn't engage when you're working on it. If you look at the main fuse box in the glove compartment, you'll see fuse 41. It's a 5 amp fuse and it's marked as being for the parking brake. However, pulling that fuse makes little difference to the system and it'll still engage when you remove the keys or press the button. So we need to move to the main fuse box that is beside the battery in the engine compartment. We're going to pop off the cover on the battery, and here's our fuse box. Press in the tab and lift this cover out. We can see here that our fuse is FL8. It's a 30 amp fuse for the parking brake and it's located here. It's a pink, 30 amp is pink on these. So you can use the little pliers or the tool from the glove box. Slide it on. And that's the fuse out. So that will disable the EPB from actuating while you're working on it, and you can pop it back in when you're finished.